I really want to thank Parag Milk Foods for always giving us a newer height in terms of their premium range of products. और उनके दूध के बारे में तो हम लोग ने 9 साल से सुना ही था, लेकिन अब उनके 2 नए brands add हुए हैं, and all of these 3 products are very close to my heart, and I see the person who's going to be the face of these products is a huge fan herself. Without further ado, let me please invite the gorgeous Kareena Kapoor Khan, who is preggers and has no booth in saying it the way she does. So Kareena, congratulations on your second pregnancy and thank you for being here with us today.
I know, thank you.
Tell me honestly, how excited were you and Seb when this news happened to the two of you, and now for us to have you as a part of this beautiful family at Parag Milk Foods?
Yeah, I mean, we were obviously ecstatic and we were like, this is like brilliant news. It wasn't really like, planned or something like that, but I did with Taimur. I think I've always done what I wanted and, followed my instinct and my heart. My life never really stopped. I think I've learned the art of balance so well. And yeah, I'm going about my days like as normally as it would, because like I always maintain that, I'm pregnant, I'm not ill. It's not an illness. I would never want anyone to look at it like that. I think it's the most joyous thing to happen to a woman. It's great. I've enjoyed it the first time and I'm going to thoroughly enjoy it, inshallah, the second time, yeah.
And how about this beautiful association of Pride of Cows? We've exchanged our love and our enthusiasm for the products.
Actually, even before they approached me, I was a huge fan of Pride of Cows. I was a huge fan in terms for their milk, because I'm a huge dairy fan. And I love like whether it's, cold coffees or whether it's like, milkshakes and things like that. And I've always wanted like, looking for that perfect milk. And that packaged one, I was always like, no preservatives, kya hoga, kaise hoga. But of course, when one of my dearest friends introduced me a couple of years ago to Pride of Cow, I think that actually changed my life. So when I was approached for their other products now, when they introduced ghee and curd, I was like, actually, this is a dream come true for any dairy lover, because they would be like, oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. And to, completely farm fresh, I think it's that each taste, each sip makes a huge difference here.
Do you have any message for expecting mothers? Because I know this is the time they connect to you. They're all like looking up to you, saying, oh, she's in the same boat as us.
I think, the idea is that, to keep the thoughts clean, to stay away from negativity, to, of course, eat what your heart wants. Don't overeat, but eat what your heart wants. And I think my doctors also always told me that, dairy products, jaise ke dahi ho ya doodh ho, it does help, in keeping your immunity up, in, calcium and vitamins. So I am following a bit of, all of that for sure. So I think every expecting mother should do that. But you can eat, like if you can do even like take it up from the jar and just have a bite of ghee like that. I think that's like...
you do that?
I mean, like, I don't do that, but I know, like, my grandmom and all used to do that. And, like, their bones and everything were, like, super healthy. It's because the way I eat, my son has imbibed that, Because he's grown up on the dinner table. I've always said, ki ghee lagao mere roti mein ya chawal mein. So now he will ask me when I'm feeding him, he will ask me all the time, ghee dala amma? Of course, when you're indulging, like my cook makes really good aate ka halwa. So that is always cooked in like, the purest form of ghee. So now that I have my supply of Pride of Cows, and even now, the smell of it is actually, it sends you into a tiz. I was just smelling the product. So it kind of like, you want to instantly make something in that ghee.
So at this point, let me call another beautiful woman with us. She's the Vice President at Parag Milk Foods. Akshali Shah, please join us in this wonderful moment where we've announced Kareena to be a part of this family.
I think firstly, we're very, very, very delighted to have Kareena, been partnered on this premium product of Pride of Cows. We've always heard her talk about know the source of your product, know where it is coming from, eat local, and knowing Pride of Cows, it's a farm full of cows, and we are making premium products like cow milk, and now we have curd and ghee that we've launched new. So yeah, so we're really excited to have her.
What I'm loving is what Kareena said, that all of us question ये कहाँ से आता है, और जब हमको पता है that the cows are well fed, they're actually as a radio, I want to say this, as a radio jockey, they're actually exposed to music consistently, so that they're just feeling calm and they're feeling collected and they're loving it. That to me, Kareena, is just such a lovely thing, that it's coming from the right source, it's coming from a happy place, and
I think that's why it just kind of tastes better. And ghee and curd are actually, they are pampering material. So if your cows are pampered, and then absolutely how it's going to be, not processed, the way it's packaged, it just, everything just comes together. You kind of feel like, oh my god, you want to eat this, you want to have it. I think the idea is that there is a concept that you're eating for two, but I think you're actually eating for yourself. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to eat double of everything. I think the idea is that to eat small meals at different times, spread it out, because your digestion kind of slows down. I would recommend eating a lot of curd, especially in the morning and at lunchtime, because I think it kind of lines your gut really well, and it helps your digestion, which actually slows down in pregnancy. So that is something. And also I think a glass of milk a day, because you keep your calcium levels, you need strength in your bones, you need for the baby's bones also to kind of build. So I think a glass of milk a day is recommended. No, actually, Taimur has always been touchwood a very he's an easy child. He also, like his mother, he likes dairy products. Like I love dairy products. Like I love my dahi, I love my cheese, I love milk. I have ghee every day. So I think Taimur's eating habits have gone on me, thankfully. So he also loves, like I said, he'll always ask कि ghee डाला है कि नहीं. Now he asks me that in his paratha ghee डाला है कि नहीं. So he's trained in that way by me. I've always been a personal fan of Pride of Cows milk, even way before I came on board. This has actually been an organic association, because it's not actually a brand ambassador who's selling a product. I actually believe in this product because I use Pride of Cows milk. I've always been an admirer of its purest form, of its freshest taste, of its packaging, of just the fact that it's homegrown. It's at the way the entire process is, it's untouched by humans, from the milking to the packaging. So there are a lot of things that as a family we believe in, and today I feel honored to be associated. So it comes naturally to me, I think, to just talk about this wonderful product. The purest form of love in ghee, milk and curd, and I think it's every household should be consuming this.